Hey guys, my name is Christy and this is my Crafty Country. Okay guys, so if you did not catch my last video that I just did, I'm doing a giveaway. So I have went from 0 to 1,800 subscribers in a fairly short period of time, and I'm so grateful to all of you who've come over and checked out my channel and are watching my DIYs and just helping a girl out with getting my videos out there for others to see. I know there's a lot of creators out there, and I'm just grateful that you have taken the time out of your day to come over and spend some time with me, and I appreciate it more than you will ever know. So with that being said, I'm going to do a giveaway when I get to 2,000 subscribers. So I've got like 150 to go. So if you want to help me out with that, go over and share the video that I just put out. It's the Dollar Tree haul. Go over and share that video on your social media and then comment on that video. Okay, so it's the big Dollar Tree haul that I just posted. And I'll link that video down below. But just share that video and comment on it. You have to comment on that video, not this one. I mean, you can comment on this one. I appreciate any comments. But if you want to be entered to win, you have to comment on that Dollar Tree haul video. So I will link it below. You just click on it. Go over and check it out. I found so much cool stuff over the weekend. We went on our little trip, just me and the husband. And yeah, I found a lot of cool stuff. So you've got to check out that haul. And comment on that video and enter to win. And when I get to 2,000 subscribers, I will draw a name off of the comments in that video. And then I'll message you a couple times and get to know you a little bit, what kind of stuff you like. And then I'll just build you a gift basket with 20 Dollar Tree items. So that way it's more personable. It's not just a generic basket that you may not like all the things. Make sure you hit the thumbs up on this video. And then you click on the link below and go over to that video and make your comment and enter to win. And once I hit that 2,000, I will draw a name. So if you want to help me get to 2,000 quicker, copy the link. Put it on Facebook. I know not everybody's on Facebook anymore. Instagram, wherever you're at, okay? Rumble, True Social, wherever. Just click, copy the link and paste it somewhere. That way more people come over and see us and appreciate, hopefully, some of the DIYs and things that we're doing over here. But that being said, hit the thumbs up right here and copy that link and go over there. Get that comment down. That way you're entered to win. Go comment on that video and then share it. All right. Thank you guys for all of your support. I love you, and you have no idea how much it means to me that you have taken time out of your day to come over and hang out with me for just a little bit. So with that being said, I will see you in the next video, and hopefully that will be sooner rather than later because it is DIY time. The holidays are coming and it is game on. So I'll see you guys soon. Bye.